So now we're going to do it.
Clear slime.
Yeah, just a lot of goop.
That's good.
I was like laughing at SpongeBob, like his secret. Now, just need this.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah.
Perfect.
If you don't want a teaspoon, it's like this.
Spread it out like sugar and cereal. Yeah. Get it all over there. Put a little tiny bit more from in there. Just a little tiny bit more. Perfect.
Dad, remember you made me the best cereal with cinnamon and sugar? That was really yummy. And it warmed up. That was really yummy.
I know, remember?
Yeah. It was so yummy.
Okay, activator.
DVDs.
We're using Equate
Activator.
Moisture Last multi-purpose solution. You can get it at Walmart. It's about $10
More?
for two packages.
Yeah. It's like
And
2
one.
of them, and this is what the packaging looks like. So, if you see this, perfect for your slime. Or you could just get whatever activator, but not food activator. Yes, there is food activator. If there isn't, tell me there isn't at all. Please. Please tell me. I don't know about things that long.
Go
And I'm
ahead and
6-year-old.
Leave a comment below.
Yeah. Please leave it. And also, whoever went, stuff that we do like, but we want to give away.
Yeah.
So, this slime is awesome. It's going to turn bubbly next time I bring it. I'm going to bring all the slime.
Why does it turn bubbly?
It turns cloudy, though.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Do you know why?
I don't know.
It's all foamy.
Yeah, it's all foamy now.
It's working.
It's working. Now let's put the beads in it. It's good.
Is it? Yeah.
One time I saw this cat at YouTube. He was licking a lollipop.
Cats. Was it
No more. All of it.
all of them?
Yeah.
Might as well, right?
But you want it super poppy.
Here. Move your hand.
Get the string out. Get the string. Stringy out. Please, so it doesn't get hurt. There we go. Now we just mix it. I'm kidding. We go in with our hands. You don't have to mix it. If you don't want to, if you want to, you can. But if you don't want to, you don't have to.
No pressure.
Now we need more activator. Let's get some more activator. More, please. A lot more, please. Even on my fingers. On everything. Get off. If the activator ruins anything, it's fine. It'll turn wet. Since the slime is kind of sticky, you could poke it. You could, even with these 2 slimes.
Mm-hmm.
Even the beads are in this one. Lollipop, 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 lollipop. It's awesome. If you guys could make the same, but with different beads. You can make it with whatever beads you want. It's not poppy.
Here. Can I see?
Yeah. Right. Whoa. like they almost just fell. So, ooh. I hope these ones are big. If they like have bumps on them, that means they're just big. You don't have to worry. Lollipop. Or if they're not big, sometimes it happens. Because it happened to my Orbeez. They're pretty fun.
We recommend to use little different kinds of beads. These different ones don't really work that good.
Yeah, they fall out. You guys could use like just round beads or normal or buttons. Yeah, you can. You could use whatever kind of beads you want, not these beads.
Feel free. Feel free to just experiment with the slime and the beads and the glitter and the colors.
Yeah, the slime. It's just slime. Sometimes slime doesn't come out perfectly. Nobody makes a perfect slime. Everybody's slime is perfect. Even if you don't like it, it's perfect. If you show it to us, we love it.
That's right. We love it.
We love any kind of slime.
All of it.
Even slime mixed with kinetic sand makes a pretty good slime.
What?
Yeah. We can make slime next time, and also make sure you get kinetic sand.
Okay.
It makes a pretty good slime. I'm telling you. So if you want to, Dad, what's your video be called? Slimers.
Slimers.
Yeah. So our video is called Slimers.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, but also we are going to be showing you our friends' rooms.
Just the one room.
No, the whole house.
No. That's an invasion of privacy. We just show them the
Bottom. Yeah, just all the bottom.
just where we had the kitty cat.
Yeah. So.
Put this stuff in here.
Yeah. Or they could put it in the box. I'm going to keep this box, by the way. So, if you guys want to notice, if you get that kit, you could keep your stress balls and slime in there. Even stress slime balls. Remember, our YouTube video is called Slimers. And also, we just started a YouTube channel. I never went on YouTube before to make a channel. At all. It's pretty fun. Oh.
All right, let's do that, and then.
Yeah. Then we have to leave. But we're going to put it on YouTube now. My dad is. So, goodbye.
All right, go.
I'll see you later. Come on. We will see you on YouTube until you watch it. Come on, Dad. Okay. So, look it. Isn't it cool? Even if you didn't notice, my dad has a Snoopy on his shirt. My brother calls it Doopy.
Yes.
Instead of Snoopy, Doopy. Everything. Oh, even let's show you Chloe. We could show you Chloe. What? So goodbye. We're going to put it on YouTube now.
All right, so goodbye.
Goodbye.